Welcome back to Raji's Cooking Show. Today we're making healthy stuffed pork medallions filled with juicy tomatoes, herbs, and pine nuts. This dish is high in protein, low in carbs, and packed with amazing flavor. Here are our fresh and wholesome ingredients and the calorie chart. Always remember portion control is very important. Flatten the pork medallions slightly so we can fill them easily. Let's start with a simple fresh marinade using lemon, oregano, garlic, and olive oil. Now mix together the fresh tomato herb filling. Stuff the pork medallions and secure them carefully. Let the pork marinate for 30 minutes for maximum flavor. Cook until golden brown and perfectly juicy. Use the leftover marinade to create a quick, flavorful sauce. This healthy pork dish is juicy, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. If this recipe helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes like this, and don't forget to leave a comment.